Hi, my name's Dawn. I work at Goal Vision as part of the customer success team. I'm going to take you through today's webinar, which is the second in a series covering the basics. During this webinar, we will show you how to use Goal Vision to manage your day-to-day activities. We will cover an introduction to activities, along with adding notes and linking items. We will also look at creating templates, document storage and images, along with managing activities in the Action Centre and your homepage, and finally, dashboards and reports. Activities are useful to create an action with a reminder. If we click on the View menu, select Accounts, open up a record. If we click on the plus icon, it is here we can select the activity required. We can select an activity against an account or contact, and if you're using projects, you can create a project activity, and if your sales team are managing opportunities and quotes, you can create opportunity activities which are ideal to follow up proposals. We're going to create a contact activity. We're going to enter a summary, select a type. Types are user definable and can be set up by your Goal Vision administrator and can be used for analysis and reporting. I'm going to select a due date along with a reminder. The owner will default to your name. You can change this to assign the activity to another member of your team. We can set a status, which is used to manage the status of the activity in your workflow. The correspondence area is where you can add and view notes. If you have email tracking enabled and activity reference numbers set up, all outgoing and incoming emails will be tracked in the correspondence area. Goal Vision uses the unique activity reference number in the email subject. If we save, here we have our activity number, and if we click on the contact email, the email subject line is automatically populated. Next, we will look at links. Links can be created from all Goal Vision records. Simply click on the link icon, select the record you'd like to link to, and from here you can specify a relationship. Links are commonly used to link a contact, for an example, an external contractor or consultant. If we click on the Links tab, it is here we can view the link records and the relationship. Goal Vision can generate a Word document from any record. Word templates can be created using information from Goal Vision to personalise and populate details. If we click on the template icon, we can select our template, which we can choose to output. And if you have Adobe or DocuSign integration, you can email a document for an electronic signature. The assigned document is automatically tracked and updated in Goal Vision and is useful for signing contracts or agreements. Your Goal Vision administrator can screen design, gallery and document sections against records. Here we have our document storage, where you can view documents that have been created or uploaded against a record. Here we have our non-disclosure agreement. And the gallery section is where you can drag and drop or upload images. Here we will drag an image. Once the start date has passed, the activity will appear in your Action Centre to-do list. From here, you can inline edit, complete, add notes, or pop out the activity. The activity will also be updated in your homepage. If we click in the top left-hand corner, here we have our activities and appointments due. We can use the inline edit to edit the due date, add a note, book time, complete or pop out the activity. Finally, we have an activities dashboard. Here we can view open activities along with activities log for individual users or teams. Thank you for watching this webinar. Please subscribe to our YouTube channel or refer to our help site where you'll find more useful resources and videos.